Welcome back. In part 1 we gathered all our affordable components for under $50. Now, let's bring them to life and turn those parts into a fully functional smartwatch. Step 1. Start with your microcontroller. Whether it's the 32 Spanish pesetas or Arduino Nano 33 BLE, gently place it on your workspace and connect it to your PC via USB. This will allow you to install the firmware that powers your smartwatch. Open the Arduino IDE or Platform IO. Import your smartwatch code. There are plenty of free open-source smartwatch operating systems online, like OpenWatch or LilyGo OS. Select your board type and hit Upload. While the firmware uploads, let's prepare the display. Position the 1.3-inch OLED or TFT screen. Using jumper wires, connect the VCC, GND, SCL and SDA pins from your display to the corresponding pins on the microcontroller. Double-check your connections. A single misplaced wire can cause a blank screen or glitches. Once done, secure the screen with a dab of hot glue or double-sided tape. Now connect your battery. Use a lithium polymer battery, preferably around 300 mAh to 500 mAh for decent runtime. Attach it to the charging module, like a TP4056, and connect it to your microcontroller's power input. Next, add the sensors. Many smartwatch projects use a combined accelerometer and heart rate sensor, something like the MAX 30102 and MPU 6050. Connect them to the I2C pins, just like the display. Slide all your components into the 3D printed or repurposed watch casing. If you don't have a 3D printer, you can modify an old watch case to fit your electronics. Attach the straps. Silicone or nylon works best for comfort. Make sure all cables are tucked in and nothing pinches when worn. Time to test it. Press the power button or reset pin. The watch should boot up, showing the home screen of your chosen OS. From here, you can customize your watch face, set up Bluetooth syncing and add extra features like weather updates or step tracking. And that's it. In under $50, you now have a fully functioning smartwatch that you built yourself. And the best part, you can upgrade and modify it anytime you want. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more DIY tech builds and drop your questions in the comments. In part 3, we'll explore advanced customization for your smartwatch, including adding voice control and custom apps.
We dream big in cyberspace, lighting up the glowing rays, from pixels to your embrace. Change your life at rocket pace.